The MP tray, or multi-purpose tray, is found at the front of the printer. The MP tray allows your printer to use more paper types and more sizes than the cassette tray. For example, cardstocks, envelopes, and labels. Open the MP tray by pulling down on this latch. Slide the top tray out. You can adjust the paper size by sliding the paper width guides to the paper sizes inscribed in the tray. Insert the paper print side down, along with the paper width guides until it stops. If the paper type is something other than plain paper, you must set the paper type in the menu. This will ensure the highest quality of prints. On the control panel, select the menu key. From the control panel navigation keys, scroll to Paper Settings and press OK. Scroll to MP Tray and select OK. Scroll to Media Type and select OK. Scroll to the type of media you'll be using. Paper types are always printed on the paper box or protective paper wrapping. In our example, we're going to keep it plain. Press OK. Scroll to Paper Size and press OK. In our case, we're staying with letters, so press OK. Press the button under Exit. The machine will return to a ready state. You have now set paper size and type for the MP tray on the PA6000 printer. In order to learn more how to load paper in the cassette, watch the Adding Paper to Cassette video.